Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create stunning AI photos with Google Gemini. So if you want to have your own AI photos, here I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can use Google Gemini AI Image Generator to make unique, high quality images in just minutes. Whether you want realistic photos, 3D effects, or creative AI edits, this tutorial has you covered. Now let's just open the Gemini applications. You can use the apps or you can also use the website by using your browser. But make sure you already have a Google account to be able to use it. So now you can just go to the image generator feature by clicking on this button, or you can also click on the tools options and choose create images feature. Now you can just describe the image that you want to create. So for example, here I'm going to use this prompt: a luxury sport car park in Tokyo at night with neon lights and ultra realistic style. If you want to, you can also be specific by adding style, for example, like this realistic, or can also add details like the lighting, the colors, and the mood. And you can also try emojis for extra creativity. Now you can just click on this button to generate the image. Just wait for a few seconds and Gemini will give you the result. Okay, so this is the image of a sport car in Tokyo at night in ultra realistic style, as you guys can see in here. Now you can just hit on the download button to download the result. And for additional tips, you can also use aspect ratio on the prompt in here. If you want a specific ratio, you can go with square by using 1:1 aspect ratio, or 9:16 if you want to have a portrait one. And if the photo looks blurry, you can add high detail or ultra sharp or 4K quality in your prompt. And you can also save the prompts that works well for reuse. So guys, that's how you can create photos with Google Gemini AI in just seconds. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye!